Today was actually with Norgay. I believe NUT is also part of the Norgay. So this issue just bordered around the 40% peculiar allowance, hazard allowance, and other deductions that Norgay is actually putting for. And some of this issue range as far back as 2006. So what happened today was basically to understand what these issues are and what are the challenges the area council are actually facing. So, but the Honorable Minister was able to intervene, and we thank God for his wisdom and actually experience. He was able to set up a committee that a 6-man committee that is also been set up. Members of the Norgay, the Director of Finance from the 6 area councils, and also we from the FCTA here.
Did Norgay agree this is with the position of the minister?
Yes, from our discussion, of course, Norgay actually applauded the minister for his speedy intervention and actually responding